I've just got it facing this way so you can see. Make sure we've got white to right. Are we all starting position? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Yes.
Yes? Okay. Show me 5. Go.
Boom.
Bang. No one even had to count it. Bang. We know there's 5 red beads. Okay, show me 10. Bang. Boom. 10 beads. We know that. 5 and 5 is? 10. Okay, back to starting position. White to right, please. Off you go. White to right. Put it flat. Okay, can you please make 7 for me?
What?
How are you going to make 7?
Yeah. Boom. Boom.
Boom. How did you do yours?
I put 5, then 2.
Because 5 and 2 is 7. Good.
5 and 2.
Excellent. Now, what about if I do this? How many is there?
3.
3 and?
4.
Fantastic. I love you. Didn't have to count it. You just did it.
6.
10 and 5 and 2. Good.